So here's a little tip, or not so much a tip, but something that I see quite a lot, and it just comes down to human error. Maybe people don't know, maybe people are just rushing. I don't know, it is a little bit confusing. So you have side strips, and you have the brown one. The brown one shoots 15 to the right, 15 to the left, and then 5 in front. Then you also have a left strip and a right strip. Now this is where it's confusing. A left strip will spray 5 feet in front and 15 to the right. A right strip will spray 5 feet in front and 15 to the left. The strip means that it won't spray that way. So i.e. a left strip will not spray to the left. A right strip will not spray to the right. And what we have here, this is a right strip that somebody decided to put in as a left. So you can see it's spraying 15 feet into the road and 5 feet this way, and you can see in the middle we've got this dry spot. And the same over here, we have this left strip which sprays 15 feet to the right and nothing to the left. So really this guy should be pointing all the way over here, but instead they angled it so that this little section here gets wet but not quite enough in the middle. So I'm going to fix that. So now we've got it the right way around. So we have the right strip on the right side, meaning that it sprays 15 feet to the left, 5 in front, and nothing to the right. Remember, right strip means it will not spray to the right. Then we have our left strip, which means it will not spray to the left. Instead, it sprays 5 feet in front and then 15 feet to the right.